We were also speaking earlier about the link, the connection between the world of science and the world that is science fiction, and how they are linked and interrelated. I believe that there is an adult somewhere who, like you at a very early age, watched Star Trek, was exposed to those images of Captain Kirk reaching to that Velcroed place behind his hip because there are no pockets in the future. I know, I've been there. And he pulls out the communicator, he flips it open, he calls he calls Scotty, and Scotty beams him up. Now that child probably grew up and became an engineer, a scientist, a designer of product, and is responsible for a piece of technology that is more common on this planet than a toaster. At least it has been in the past. That's a flip cell phone.
Now, let me say something about young children. We are born scientists. We're born wondering, why does the sun shine? Why do the stars twinkle, and where we came from? But then we hit the biggest killer of scientists known to science. The biggest destroyer of scientists known to science is junior high school. We lose young children by the millions every year because science is made boring. It's made memorization. And that's where science fiction can neutralize that, because science fiction inspires the imagination. Yes. So when I was a kid, I was wondering about the fourth dimension, about hyperspace, about warp drive. I was wondering about all these things. And then I said to myself, I can wonder forever. I have to become a physicist in order to understand whether or not you can have antimatter engines and warp drive and higher dimensional travel. Well, I'm a physicist. Now I can actually say something about these things that I dreamt about when I was a child.